can we talk about one thing? We all the whole thing of how we treat his mom is how he's gonna treat you. Here's the thing. How her mom, look at how her mom treats her dad, or treated her dad before blah happened. Because she's gonna treat you like that. Or if you're already with her, how she treats you is how her mom treats or treated her dad. Right? Point blank period. I'm bringing this elephant in the room. I'm pointing out the elephant in the room and introducing it to people. Okay? I'm pretty sure it has a bow tie on it. And I'm just gonna do this to have a little bit of light. And hey, but yeah, let's have a little bit of light. Let's do that. I said to have a little bit of light. Thank you. Um, I'm. This is a point blank period, or as a lot of black women will say, period. I lived in the hood before for like 3-4 years, so I just to say that. Um, so yeah, but seriously, guys, how she's treating you? If she's treating you like crap, guarantee you, her mom treats or treated her dad the same way. And you wonder why I'm about stacking my money. Getting my money, getting them bags, stacking my chips. Because guess what? That's a better option. Because has money ever cheated on you? No. Would money cheat on you? Nope. Would money, make you sad? No. What it will do is make you happy because guess what? You can afford whatever you want, like groceries, gas, bills, like nothing. And you still have plenty of money for what you need, right? Investing, right? By the way, I haven't got done with the I Will Make You Rich, like the introduction, because that is a chapter in itself. But at least it details, okay, from the last edition to this edition, this is what I did differently. People sent me comments like blah, 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 etc. But yeah, I just wanted to give you the elephant. I just wanted to meet the elephant in the room, everyone. Say hi. Right? Don't let a chick treat you like crap. Here's my thing. If I work with you, you better damn sure work with me. Right? If I treat you good, you treat me good. Once you start treating me like crap, guess what? Eye for an eye, nose for a nose. It's in the Bible. Look it up. Right? And here's the thing. Right? I believe in an eye for an eye, a nose for a nose. Okay? Treat me good, I treat you good. Treat me like crap, I treat you like crap. Won't be a bitch to me, I'll be an asshole to you. Trust and believe. Literally, dudes, we need to hold these females accountable. We need to get the elephant out of the room. Right? We gotta go. That's the elephant in the room. Let's bring it forth. Anyway, decently short video today. I was thinking about this, so I'm gonna get to working on the rest of the logo, which I'm trying to So we have basic logo. That'd be really nice to have. So let's put this. Let's do this. Now I want to do the airbrush for this one. I can do different airbrushes. Huh, cool. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a little bit for like sky a little bit, you know. Then can we do a little blushing of white? Oh, I gotta do this to do the blushing of white. How do I get the white? Let's just do that. Yeah, let's do splotching of white. And let's just pick that. Done. And then just make it how it's like kind of like clouds. Okay, so yeah, what do y'all think about that? Like a little bit of clouds or whatever. I can actually get rid of it easily by doing this. And it's nothing. Get rid of. Oh, I like that. Oh, I like that. I'm gonna do a little bit of splotches of each. Okay, no. What is this? Is that an eraser? That'd be really nice to have. Let's just turn that to blue. Okay. And then we can do this. And it has a little bit of white in it. That's good. So we can do a little bit of a white up here. It's just a basic thing. So, you know. So yeah. We need to introduce the elephant in the room. Zoe, we gotta. Peace.